So alright guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, so as you can see, this is my Xiaomi Pro 2. So for today's video is we're going to solve this kind of problem because this problem is have error 24. As you can see, have error 24. So this error 24 because I put the 12 volts battery. So this is the extra battery, speed battery, 12 volts. So that's why the problem is error 24 because the stock battery is 36. So I add the 12 volts, so it's equivalent to 48 volts. So that's why we need to change the firmware of the controller. So that's why, as you can see, it's always error 24. So let's go and let's pick this kind of problem for this Xiaomi Pro 2. So we're going to change the firmware to not error 20. So right guys, so we're going to change the firmware so this to the remove the error 24. So let's go to the application, down G. So I already connect the 12 volts, so that's why I don't have error. So first we're going to connect Xiaomi Pro 2. So I already connected now. So we're going to connect to the files. So it's all have error 24. So we're going to connect this one. Flash. So the RB155. So we are waiting to the firmware if this kind of firmware is good or not. But I think it's good because this firmware is a upgrade to the high voltage of the battery. So we're going to wait to 100%. As you can see, it's connected here. Just wait. Alright, so 78, 83. So this voltage now is 48 volts because of the 12 volts battery. So we are already okay now. So let's try it 100%. So the DRV now is 155. So as you can see, there have no error now. Just close it and let's open. So as you can see, don't have error 24, and then we are all connected to the 12 volts battery. So it's already okay now. So we're going to try. Let's open. And then we're going to try. So it's how many speed now? So I don't have error now. So already okay now, so you can see. So let's try how many speed. So don't have error 24 already. So this is it. So let's try it. So the speed is 54. So right guys, so this is it. So we already okay now. The 12 volts battery connected to the 36 volt battery. So this is it guys. So thank you very much for watching this kind of video. So I hope you like this kind of video. If you like this kind of video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to update to more video. So thank you guys and see you to my next vlog.